Gold prices over time. What can we expect now? Have you ever wondered how gold prices have fluctuated over time and what factors drive these changes? Gold prices over time have largely been dictated by a dance of economic cycles, geopolitical factors, and market supply and demand. In this video, I discuss the many factors influencing gold prices, gold value history, investment options, and much more. To read the full article right now, see the link in the video description. I'll discuss how elements such as inflation, mining costs, and international crises have historically swayed the value of this sought-after asset. This journey into the past will provide invaluable insights into the ebb and flow of gold's value, the inherent risks and rewards of investing in this precious metal, and how to make informed decisions in the gold market. Factors influencing gold prices. When diving into the world of gold prices, it's crucial to understand that variables such as inflation, geopolitical tensions, supply and demand, and mining and refining costs significantly influence these prices. Inflation often drives gold prices upwards, as investors flock to gold as a hedge against weakening currencies. As a reflection of its status as a safe haven, gold prices tend to escalate in times of geopolitical unrest. Supply and demand dynamics also play a crucial part in dictating gold prices. Factors like industrial usage and jewelry demand can sway the scales of supply and demand, thereby affecting prices. On the other side, the cost of mining and refining gold can influence the supply, which in turn impacts the price. Moreover, it's important to note that historical gold price trends provide valuable insights, but don't guarantee future outcomes. Major events, like the end of the Bretton Woods system in 1971, significantly impacted gold prices. In sum, investing in gold requires a deep understanding of the many factors that influence gold prices. It's not just about the current price. It's about understanding the historical context, the potential future scenarios, and the multitude of influencing factors. Gold price history. Examining the historical trends of gold prices can reveal insightful patterns, such as a rapid appreciation of gold in the early 1970s due to its role as a safe haven asset during turbulent economic times. This era marked a pivotal shift in the global economic climate as the U.S. ended the gold standard, thus allowing gold prices to float freely on the market. This freedom led to a dramatic spike in gold prices, reaching a record high in the year 1980. The turn of the millennium marked another golden era, with prices climbing steadily. Here are some crucial points in gold price history. The post-World War II era. Gold prices were fixed at $35 per ounce under the Bretton Woods system established in 1944. The 1980 peak. Continuing from the stagflation-fueled 1970s bull run, gold prices skyrocketed, reaching an all-time high of $850 per ounce during this period of high inflation and geopolitical tensions. The gold bull run of the 2000s, triggered by the dot-com bubble burst and later fueled by the 2008 financial crisis, gold prices soared to a peak of over $1,900 per ounce in 2011. More recently, the record gold purchases by world central banks, as well as the increasing desire for countries to diversify away from the dollar, has led to gold's present record high. Understanding these historical trends can help you make informed decisions about investing in gold. It's essential to remember that while history can provide valuable insights, it's not a surefire predictor of future performance. I just want to take a moment to thank you for supporting our channel. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video content. It really does make a difference. Now back to the video. Investing in gold. Diversifying your portfolio with gold investments could serve as a strategic hedge against inflation and macroeconomic uncertainty. But it's vital to understand the potential risks and rewards involved in this market. You can invest in gold through various avenues, including purchasing physical gold, gold exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or shares in gold mining companies. Each of these vehicles has its unique set of considerations, such as storage and insurance for physical gold, gold ETFs higher counterparty risk, or understanding the volatile dynamics of the gold mining industry. Therefore, gold should be one part of a diversified investment portfolio rather than the sole focus. It's also crucial to remember that while gold can be a valuable addition to your portfolio, it shouldn't be your sole investment. Diversification is key to managing risk, and gold should only be one part of a balanced investment strategy. To learn how much gold rich and successful investors keep as a percentage of their portfolio, see the link in the top right to learn more. A tax-advantaged way of owning physical gold without the stress of storage in your own home is a gold IRA. Working with a long-established and trusted gold investment company that has studied and actively monitors the various economic cycles, central bank policy shifts, and the various movements of the markets, these gold IRA companies can provide serious gold investors with competitive prices, transparency, a reasonable buyback policy, reliable customer service, and more importantly, robust security and storage of your precious metals. However, finding the right gold IRA company for your individual needs is critical. For example, if you require a low investment minimum to start a gold IRA, Birch Gold Group or American Hartford Gold would be two choices to consider. However, if you are a serious high net worth investor who can afford a higher minimum to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, then Augusta Precious Metals would be a good fit. Furthermore, Noble Gold Investments provides gold IRA as well as private investment options for home storage. See the links in the video description to find the right gold IRA company that best serves your needs. Historical significance of gold. Throughout history, gold has held a unique position due to its beauty and rarity, serving as a currency and store of value across various civilizations. Its luster and malleability have made it a prized possession from the ancient Egyptians to the modern economy. As a standard of wealth and prosperity, gold has often been at the center of power struggles and economic policies. For example, the adoption of the gold standard in the 19th century created a fixed system of exchange, linking national currencies to the value of gold. The historical significance of gold can be summarized in 3 key points. Gold as a form of currency, from the Lydians, who are believed to have produced the first gold coins around 700 BC, to the U.S. gold rush in the mid-1800s, gold has been a medium of exchange driving commerce and economic growth and stability. Gold and economic policies. The gold standard, a monetary system where a country's currency value was directly linked to gold, played a crucial role in global finance until the mid-20th century. It was replaced by fiat currency, which is not backed by a physical commodity. Since this exit from the gold standard, paper fiat currencies have become increasingly devalued. Gold as a store of value. In times of economic instability, investors often turn to gold as a safe haven because it retains its value over time. Its price is less volatile than other assets, and it can provide a hedge against inflation. In summary, gold prices are a fascinating reflection of global events and economic conditions. They're shaped by a myriad of factors, from inflation to geopolitical tensions. Investing in gold offers both potential benefits and risks, mandating a careful, informed approach. Understanding the history of gold prices equips you with the knowledge to navigate this complex investment landscape. So, keep a close eye on gold's past to make smart investment decisions for the future. If you have a minimum of $100K in savings to protect and want to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free gold and silver educational webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Reserve your place today. Thank you for watching.